Hi everyone, Tridib from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Apple has released watchOS 8.4.2 along with iOS 15.3.1, iPadOS 15.3.1 and macOS Monterey 12.2.1 to the public. This update came 2 weeks after the public release of watchOS 8.4 and a week after the public release of watchOS 8.4.1. So 3 weeks in a row we have a watchOS update. So Apple might be trying to fix something major here. This update is available for all the watchOS 8 supported Apple Watches. The previous 8.4.1 was not for Apple Watch Series 3 users, but this one is. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 7, this update is now available for you. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. But if you are already on watchOS 8.5 beta 2, then you will not see this update as you are already on a higher version than this. This update came in around 97.3 megabytes in this Apple Watch Series 5, a little bit bigger than the watchOS 8.4.1 update. Now let's check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version number is 8.4.2 and the build number is 19AS553. The previous one was 19AS550. Now let's talk about this update in details. From the version number itself, you can probably guess that this one is a security update rather than a feature update just like the previous one. The main issue which Apple trying to solve here is the charging issue in various Apple Watch models while using some Apple chargers or any third-party chargers. watchOS 8.4 solved the most part, 8.4.1 solved some more along with some other security patch. This one should be the ultimate version where Apple solves the remaining bugs related to charging. Apart from that, some Apple Watch users were also facing sync issues in various apps such as fitness, activity or weather. This update should solve those as well. Also, some of you were complaining that the health or rather the activity app wasn't even working properly on your watch after updating to watchOS 8.4. So these two small updates, that is 8.4.1 and 8.4.2, might be important for you. Apart from that, there are no new features to mention about in this update. Now talking about the bugs, some of you are saying that after updating to watchOS 8.4.2, the Unity Light's watch face is missing from your watch. You can see that in the watch app on your iPhone, but you cannot set that as a watch face on your Apple Watch. This is mainly for some Nike Edition Series 5 and Series 7 users. This is an usual 44mm Series 5 Apple Watch, and as you can see, the Unity Light's watch face is working fine for me. Also, some of you complained that within Fitness app, then Awards, this longest daily move streak award day count is showing wrong after this update. It says 30 days for me, but for some users it is now showing 732 or 790 days, which is a bit abnormal. watchOS 8.4.2 should include some security update as well. But if you go to the Apple Security Update website, it says this update has no published CVE entries. This is just like the previous watchOS 8.4.1 update. So we do not know what exactly were fixed, but sometime Apple resolves a lot of issues which they never mention about. Performance wise, there is no change from watchOS 8.4.1 in this Series 5 Apple Watch. In fact, it is same as watchOS 8.4. 8.4.2 is too small an update to impact performance in a big way. I am using this watch for more than 2 years now and it is still running nice and smooth. The activity app is working fine, no charging issue either. The battery life of watchOS 8.4.1 was good enough, though the battery life of watchOS 8.4.2 will take some time to report. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery, and check the battery health, and it is 81%. So after more than 2 years of daily usage, this battery health is quite acceptable. With this battery health and always on display, I usually end my day with around 30 to 35% battery life left in this Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 8.4.2. It might fix some existing issue as well as provide security patch on your Apple Watch. No new features though. We are already on watchOS 8.5 beta 2 and that includes some new features. We will probably see watchOS 8.5 public release by the end of this month or maybe during the proposed Apple event on 8 March. That's it. If you have found something else with this update, do write it down in the comment section below. Also, do mention if watchOS 8.4.2 solves any of your existing Apple Watch issues or not. Do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.